In this lesson, boys and girls, we're going to take a look at the commutative property of multiplication. And when you think of the commutative property, think about a commute and traffic going in both directions. And I will remind you as to why. Let's begin. Our first problem says to write two related multiplication sentences using these numbers. Draw an array for each. So we see three numbers here, 4, 3, and 12. The 4 and the 3 are our factors, and the 12 is our product. So the first array we're going to draw has 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So our first multiplication is 4 times 3 equals 12. Our second array is where we switch the directions, like in traffic, okay? So here we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our other multiplication sentence is 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, so let's try another one. Here we have our factors of 5 and 3 and our product of 15. So the first way we've drawn our array is 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So 5 rows times 3 columns will give us a product of 15. The next way that we'll draw our array is having 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this multiplication sentence, we have 3 rows times 5 columns equals 15. Again, we have switched the direction. And for our last problem, we're looking at the factors of 2 and 6 and the product of 12. So let's begin. In our first array, I've drawn out 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 columns, 1, 2. So 6 rows times 2 columns will give us 12. Now look at our next array. This array has 1, 2, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So our multiplication sentence will read 2 rows times 6 columns will give us the product of 12. Now it is your turn, boys and girls. Complete the multiplication page for this lesson. Continue drawing your arrays and get finding out the 2 related multiplication sentences. That's all for now. Goodbye, and I'll see you all soon.